on the first roll, right? 11, win, first roll. 3, you gonna lose. 2, you lose.
7, you lose on the first roll too.
No, 7, you win on the first roll.
Damn. Okay.
They done got down on me, baby. They done got down on me. So 11. Now you come out with your point. So my point, I just can't stop losing.
So you won. That was 11.
Right. So 0.6, right? Bet. Now the fader is who betting against me off the dribble. You got my fade. A polite real dice game should go like this. The bet go to the fader. 20 6. Or 20 6 8. Now I can hit 6 and 8. These are pairings together to make your bet better. 6 8, 10 4, and 9 5.
Now these are just people that's around that's looking. They're not even the one you
No,
want
like,
against,
but see,
right?
this is what I'm saying. Now, you know, I'm feeling this a little bit in my soul a little bit because a motherfucker go bet somebody else won't bet the fade man. The bet should go to the fade first. Then you bet everybody else. But see, that's why I like shooting 4 5 6 though. That's 3 dice. That's a whole nother level.
Okay.
So bet 20 out 6. Bet. Put the 20 now. Or we can say 10 to 10. So on a 6 8, now my original point is 6. 20 out 6 8. I can roll 8 4 times. You got to pay me every time.
Oh wow. Okay.
But if I roll 7 before I roll my 6, you win.
Okay.
So that's the whole thing. I got to get my point back before I roll 7 and crap out.
Okay.
So if I could hit an 8. That nigga done hit a famous 10 8s on me in a row.
So
famous.
basically, you like let's say you roll a 6, right? You said you playing
Boom.
what 6 8.
Right. No, that's the bet. I gotta
Right,
bet
right.
you. I gotta bet to fade. You gotta
Right.
get a fader.
So either you roll a
bet.
6 or you roll an 8 and you win and give me you money.
Correct. If I roll a 6, that's my whole point. That's the whole
Right.
thing. So I take everything. I take my fade and the bet.
Right, because that's what you roll originally. If
Right,
you roll
that's
an
my
8, then
They gotta
give
pay
you-
that. 'Cause
Right.
If they bet it though.
Right.
It ain't just automatic though.
Right.
So, but you gotta bet a 6 to 8. Bet a 6 8.
Right.
And nobody bets a 6 8. It's too many ways on the dice that shit can come.
Now
6
can
8.
you roll, like let's say you roll a 6 your first roll, and then you say, okay, 6 9 or 6 10.
No.
You can do
it's-
different numbers, or you just like...
No, it's 6 and 8,
Okay.
9 to 5, 10 to 4.
Okay.
And the 10 to 4 is the hardest to get on the dice. So
roll.
everybody wants to take that bet.
Okay.
But I'm not afraid of a 10. My homeboy Gary was my nigga G So. My homeboy dad used to say that shit like, we be gambling, so oh shit, you say a 10? A motherfucker gonna jump out of a helicopter to bet that 10. He said, a motherfucker gonna jump out of a helicopter. Oh, 10? Because it's so hard to come on the dice. It only come 5 5 and 6 4. You feel me? So it's only 2 ways to come. So everybody's eager to bet that because it's harder to roll that than a 6 8.
Okay.
You can roll a 6 8, 4 2, 2 4, 3 3.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? 5 1. You feel me? It's too many ways on the dice to rule that. So a nigga just be like, no. In most good dice games, give me a straight.
Right.
Give me a straight.
And then the straight is...
Just the 6.
Just a straight 6.
Just
Okay,
6.
okay. Well, let's see what I'm going to roll on my first. Am I going to win? Am I going to roll a 7? Am I going to roll 11? I'm going to do
Yeah, you always win beginner's luck.
Damn, that's a goddamn 6.
What you want to do with that 6?
I'm going to do a 6 8.
And then we start. Alright, we learning. The learning process for me.
I done dropped.
Now, right, what happens when you drop the dice, though? Like, what are unspoken words?
It rolled a 6.
Like I say,
You
in
see
the
that?
dough.
Would've got
See,
some.
Damn.
Well, in a good dice game, a motherfucker be like, that's in the dough. Now, in the door means in the door, but in the dough. In the dough, that means once the bet went down, they rolled the shit right back. It came right back. So, yeah.
Do I get more money? It roll right back.
Actually not. It just looked good at the dice game.
It look good.
Roll
Mary, you would
see
go in
that?
there and lose all your money.
You see that? Wait. You see
And-
that? It
and
look
you
good.
burnt the
I
dice.
did that.
And you grabbed it with the wrong hand and you didn't snap. What about the unspoken? No, when you roll the dice, you're supposed to snap.
Mary, you don't
You
know
need to-
nothing about that.
We had a discussion about this, did we not?
The snap.
You gotta
Talk about
snap.
earlier. You gotta. hold
You
on.
gotta snap. You gotta blow
Come
on it
on,
and
my
snap
not
it.
even that
Bless
loud.
it. Do it.
Before they
Can't
stop,
even
you
get a
gotta-
sound out.
It's too soft.
And you're using your right hand. You're a left-hander. Hello.
Yeah.
You're a lefty.
Oh, I guess.
But see, the reason I don't like 2 dice is because niggas is slick and they be
So how many dice can you actually play with? Like
4, 5,
like
6.
the maximum.
3.
3. Okay.
3 and 2.
3 and 2.
I like 4, 5, 6 because you bet against everybody.
Right.
And
Okay.
it's more money.
We might have to do a podcast playing
I know some dice.
playing the dice. You know
No.
what I'm saying?
Oh, he is just good
That's
at
nice.
hood tutorials. Like he gave
Hood
us
tutorials. That's our new segment.
hood tutorials
Hood tutorials.
featuring
Hood
us.
tutorial.
New segment. Let us know what y'all think about that. Hood tutorials. We gonna get y'all educated on that. I know a lot of y'all are really
This
curious
wine, I
about
done
that though.
drunk it. Shot, put the little Hennessy in here for you. It's a shot.